Today we are going to learn about the basics of the PowerPoint transitions. Make sure you have few slides before you begin. Just create 5 different slides so that you can see the transitions clearly. From the ribbon, select Transitions tab. It will show you several transitions. These are the mostly used transitions. None is the default transition, Fade is the most used transition, while Morph is the most recent transition. Those are all very frequently used. You can drop down to see more transitions. First division is usually good for official and professional presentations, while the rest is ideal for kiddie and other presentations. However, it can be used either way. Different transitions are for different purposes. For example, a fade might not be ideal for a certain slide, while push can provide a more attractive feeling for your audience. Let's see an example of push transition. For a good presentation, you can't just randomly choose transitions, but you have to choose the most appropriate one for your presentation design. This will not look appealing with a fade transition. To make your presentation better, you can draw a storyboard in a paper or in your mind just before you start the presentation design. That way, you will be able to choose the best transition for the appropriate slide. That is just an idea on how to improve your presentation design. Hope to see you in the next tutorial. Assalamu alaikum.